This car is so freaking loud right now. It's ridiculous. Billy is a freaking savage, dude. Dude, you're a savage. How loud is it when I look? I don't know if they could see me right now, but dude, let me know what you guys think, man. Definitely some sick footage. We're gonna do some more pulls on the ride back. So, Bill, how did you think the exhaust sound, dude? Was it like crazy or what? On a scale of 1 to 10, how good did it sound?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving it a solid 8.5, 9 out of 10. This shit is mean. It
Dude,
is deep.
I never thought that it was gonna sound the way that it did, and the fact that it was $100, just killer. Oh yeah! Oh, that thing actually sounded good, yeah.
Oh yeah.
He had to chive in, dude.